Hi there, in this video I'm going to look at the BDP bullet list creator. Now this is a nice function that allows you to create your bullet lists on the fly. Now bullet lists are these little lists that you usually create to draw attention. People really like to see bullet lists on the pages because it allows them to bring out things in a structured order, and it's much easier for people to read and to process content. So I'm just gonna add a quick list to show you what this would normally look like. Okay, so yeah, I've created a list here. I'm going to update this quickly and we're going to have a look on the site. And this is what this little list is going to look like exactly. So it's going to structure the content and it's going to put it in a nice structured order. So what we want to do is actually you'll often see that people use little X marks and checks and dots that looks differently. And the way they would usually do this is by just inserting some images into the bullet points, but you are basically restricted to the actual images that's been created. So if there's a green checklist that's been created, you can just generate a green checklist, or a red X mark, or a pink dot, but they need to create an image for each and every single one. What we've done is we've made this through JQuery. We've changed the way that you're going to do this, and we have created a lot of dynamic little bullets. And once again, this is something that we are adding to every time. So if we're working on the plugin, you'll see more of these pop up. But what's very nice is we've designed some of the basic bullets and lists that people like to use, and then we've made them, designed them in such a manner that you can change the color schematics for them. So you can basically change the color to anything you possibly want. And now what this also allows you to do is it allows you to do very variable lists within one page. So I'm going to quickly look at that. I'm going to show you what I mean. Let's say we are using a couple of functions on our page. So we want to show our users that we have that our piece of software or our training has certain benefits. I'm going to be using, let's use a little green plus sign for those, and I'm just going to insert this right there. Okay, so I'm going to delete this old bullet list we had here. Just delete this and all this content. I'm going to update this, and I'm going to refresh this one. Right, so I've added a plus sign. So what it's going to do is it's going to add some content. It's going to say here is one of the functions of the program. So now update, I'm going to show you what this looks like. And in order to design this, obviously we're going to have a heading. So we're going to say features of the program. Refresh. There we go. So the first feature is going to be this one. Now if I'd like to add some more features, you can go back into the editor and add one, or let's say I want to keep on using these green bullets. I can just paste how many ever I want. I'm just going to update this and I'm going to show you what it's done. So it's created your list. Now what we can do is, if we want a different function, if we want to say there's something that we do not do, we can go, and I'm just going to use this content again, and I can go right here, I can go back into the bullet creator, and I'll create a little red X mark. I'm going to make that red. I'm going to insert, and what I'm going to say is this is not one of the functions of this program. So if I go and refresh this page, you'll see that it's here added a little X mark, and now I can just go and I can go and add some more of these green check marks if I'd like to afterwards. Okay, so I can basically create a very custom list because I can change the color schematics. I've got a lot of choices available, and it allows me to really dig into this this feature that is very rarely. I haven't seen something like this before. It really allows you to create these lists a bullet point at a time, rather than trying to just use the basic features that you have available. Now, once again, watch out, we'll be adding many little we'll be having a lot of additions to this icons that's available, and all of them are different sizes. I think we'll be adding some smaller sizes to these plus signs, and just to allow you to use these. If you've got some ideas, send them through to support, and we'll have them designed and add it. We've already built the function, so it's quite easy to add all these to the program.